Rupal, give me answer. Gastrula. Dakshita. No one. Vaibhav. Raj. Listen me. In blastula, 32 cells are present. But in blastula, 2 layers are present. Outer is called the trophoblast and inner is called the inner cell mass. In gastrula stage, what happened? 3 layers are formed. Inner cell mass is divided into the 3 layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. What are that? Ecto, meso, and endo. And from these 3 layers, the all body parts are developed in fetus. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to ask you another question. What is that? What is a gametogenesis?
Formation of gametes.
Formation of gametes is called the gamete. Okay, beta, listen me. Please go through from the chapter, otherwise you have problem. How can you learn when the many chapters are there? So go through same day from same topic. छोटा सा topic लेती हूँ मैं, उसको आप आसानी से कर सकते हो. Clear? आप next placenta is also called the endocrine gland. Just a minute. हाँ बोलो. हाँ yes Rupal. Rupal yes.
मैम क्वेश्चन पूछ.
हाँ पूछो ना.
मैम मैंने सीमेन क्या होता है?
सीमेन मैंने पहले भी बताया था. Who is going to give answer? What is a semen? What is a semen? Who is going to give me answer? Hurry up. Yes, Raj, Ayush, Mayank, Nikhil, Chita.
मैम फैबीसी के अंदर होता है ना.
Semen means?
मैम
हाँ.
मैम फैबीसी के अंदर होता है ना, वो 3 स्मॉल लेयर होती है जो.
No. What is a semen? Yes. Vaibhav, Raj.
Ma'am, seminal. Ma'am, seminal plasma with sperm.
Right. Seminal plasma, seminal prostate gland fluid with sperm is called the semen. Rupal, where are you? Already I taught you. Semen बता चुकी हूँ.
मैम फुल फॉर्म
फिर
याद
भी
नहीं
सुनो.
है.
क्यों नहीं है? Sperm with seminal and prostate gland fluid is called the semen. बेटा learn करना जरूरी है. Raj, listen. अब now next question I am taking here. Placenta work as an endocrine gland. Which hormone secreted by the placenta as an endocrine gland? Tell me.
Human chronic gonadotrophin.
Human chronic gonadotrophin. Yes.
और human placental lactogen.
Human placental lactogen और relaxin और
Estrogen, progesterone.
Estrogen, progesterone is also increased in amount. Okay. Now the next. In which month fetus start movement in the body, in the mother womb?
4th.
No.
Fifth.
Month.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
5th month start the movement. Okay. Now, what is spermiation? Spermiation.
After maturation, sperm free from seminiferous tubule.
What is a spermiogenesis?
Conversion of spermatid to spermatozoa.
Right. Listen me one more answer. One more question is here. How primary oocyte is formed? How primary oocyte is formed?
मैम वो ग्रेनुलोसा सेल्स के सराउंड हो जाता है प्राइमरी फॉलिकल जब ग्रेनुलोसा सेल्स के सराउंडेड हो जाता है.
तो प्राइमरी oocyte में ग्रेनुलोसा सॉल्व होगा ही नहीं. How primary oocyte formed? Give me answer. Think about that.
मैम वो
ओगोनिया
फीमेल
में
गैमेटोजेनेसिस
माइटोसिस
के
डिवीजन
टाइम।
होता है।
Pardon?
स्पर्मेटोजोआ जो होते हैं।
स्पर्मेटोजोआ
मैम
यहाँ कहाँ से आ गया? यस
मैम मियोटिक डिवीजन से होता है मैम।
यस मैम।
राइट। किसमें किसमें?
ओगोनिया में माइटोसिस होता है।
माइटोसिस।
यस मैम माइटोसिस ही होता है।
Mitosis. In oogonia, by the mitosis, oogonia number is increased. Okay, and that is millions in number. But after that, I already explained you what is that. In oogonia, first meiosis, incomplete, prophase first. Meiosis, prophase first division take place. After that, primary oocyte is formed. यानी इन्हें उगोनिया प्रोफेज फर्स्ट मियोसिस टेक प्लेस, माइटोटिक नहीं, मियोसिस टेक प्लेस. So what is formed? Primary oocyte. Now primary oocyte is surrounded by the granulosa cell. After that, primary follicle is formed, and primary follicle surrounded more granulosa cell, secondary follicle, more granulosa, tertiary follicle. And how can you
मैम वो ये
identify?
क्रायो कंजर्वेशन होता है जो,
Pardon, pardon.
वो क्रायो कंजर्वेशन होता है जो
हाँ. Or listen me.
सेलेक्ट कर।
How the secondary oocyte is formed? How secondary oocyte is formed? Secondary oocyte.
Primary oocyte is converted into
मैम
Primary
ग्राफियन
oocyte
फॉलिकल
क्या?
होता है ना।
हाँ. तो ग्राफियन फॉलिकल में. Tell me. Think about that and give me answer proper. Yes.
मैम मियोसिस
Yes, बेटा.
डिवीजन के अंदर मैम
How secondary
टू
oocyte
हैप्लॉइड
is?
क्रोमोसोम मैम मियोसिस में होता है।
Secondary oocyte. Listen me. Listen me. Tertiary follicle में secondary oocyte divide by meiosis division. Primary oocyte present in tertiary follicle. That primary oocyte divide complete the meiosis division. Prophase first तक किया था, उसको complete कर लिया, and complete the meiosis division. What is formed? Secondary oocyte or second primary polar body. Polar body degenerate and secondary oocyte is formed. Secondary oocyte is also called the ootid. याद आया? फिर tertiary follicle change into the Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle rupture and what is free? Ootid is free. In ootid, next meiosis complete before fertilization. When the sperm nucleus enter in the egg, again meiosis take place. OA or secondary polar body is formed. Okay, second polar body degenerate. OA combined with sperm male nuclei and form the zygote. Okay, now today, beta, please go through from the topic. Otherwise, you have problem. Easily you can learn. Beta, every day. हाँ, pardon.
मैम
हाँ. Yes, Rupal. Yes, Rupal. What happened?
बार बार
Yes, Anita. हाँ, बोलो. Rupal, yes.
मैम कोई बार बार म्यूट कर रहा है।
तुमको बेटा ये दूसरे को ये म्यूट करना, वैसे तुम अभी कर लो, मैं देखती हूँ जो भी कर रहा है ये बदतमीजी है. अगर मुझे जैसे ही पता लग जाएगा, स्क्रीन पे आएगा, मैं उसकी खिंचाई करूंगी, राम सर को बोलूंगी कि मेरा जब मैं क्लास लेती हूँ चेक करो, राम सर पकड़ लेंगे. तो बेटर वे, कंट्रोल योरसेल्फ. Listen me. Now, today topic I am taking, that is a reproductive health. Listen me, very simple chapter. And today we will take the short topic. So easily you will learn our third chapter. Okay, reproductive health. Yes, बोलो.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम सेकेंडरी oocytes में कौन सी फेज होती है मैम? उसमें तो प्रोफेज होती है, तो मैम इसमें कौन सी होती है?
सेकेंडरी oocyte में प्रोफेज नहीं, उसमें कंप्लीट डिवीजन.
meiosis complete हो जाता है।
मियोसिस कंप्लीट होगा, वहां पर मियोसिस इनकम्प्लीट था, प्रोफेज फर्स्ट तक डिवीजन हुआ था, एंड द प्राइमरी oocyte is formed. Here the meiosis complete and secondary oocyte is formed. Okay, फिर सेकंड मियोसिस डिवीजन इज टेक प्लेस, तब आपका oocyte बनेगा. Yes. Now the today topic reproductive health. Listen me. Reproductive health means total well-being in all aspect of reproduction. What is the meaning of reproductive health? Reproductive health means total well-being in all aspect of reproductions, or person socially, mentally, or physically fit. Again, reproductive health means total well-being in all reproductive aspect, or person socially, physically, mentally fit. That person is called the reproductive healthy person. Yani not only reproductive healthy, that is also healthy socially behavior, mentally also healthy, and physically also healthy. Now, next, what is the problem in reproductive health? The person is not reproductively healthy. What are the healthy? What are the problem? First problem is there. The person have no knowledge about personal hygiene. Lack of knowledge of personal hygiene or reproductive hygiene. Second, many persons are uneducated. Many persons are uneducated, don't know about the population control. So number of people continuously increase, our population continuously increase. Due to the uneducation, people believe on myth. People believe on myth and misconception. Myth and misconceptions. And next is there. That is the other reason, early marriage. Early marriage, that is also problem in reproductive health. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question in this. Any problem in this? No. Again, I am taking.
वाला point.
Again, I am
Second
repeating.
wala
Listen. Okay, again, I am going to repeat the again all point. Listen me. First, the problems are there. The persons are not reproductively healthy. What are the problems? First is there the lack of knowledge of personal hygiene and reproductive hygiene. Second, the number of people are uneducated, don't know about the contraceptive. So the number of the population continuously increases. Other reason, early marriage. Early marriage, that is the other reason due to which the reproductive health is not good. Or now people are belief in myth. Myth matlab andhavishwas. Belief on misconceptions and myth. Uneducated person easily believe on the myth or unconceptions. So these all are the reason. If they have any problem in reproductive organ side, they believe on the myth and take treatment according to that. So they have many sexually transmitted diseases are there. Yeah, reproductive health diseases are caused. Okay. Now I am taking what are the strategies government use for solving this problem. In 1951, government start family planning. Government start family planning. And in 1997, what is that? The RCH, Reproductive Child Health Care Program start. And government and many non-government agencies work together with the help of the audio, video, and media, develop awareness between the people about sexually transmitted diseases, about population control, about contraceptive methods. They all creating awareness among the people. What are the advantages of using contraceptive? What are the disadvantages increasing our populations? And in school, sex education compulsory by the government. So adolescents know about the changes which appear during the age of 13, 14, 15 and 16. In adolescents, they know about the changes appear in the body. So they will not come in myth or misconception. They are not believe on myth and misconceptions. So the sex education is given, and sexually transmitted disease related education is also given. So the early treatment is available. And the one more important thing, amniocentesis. It is very important question. What is the amniocentesis? Amniocentesis is a fetal female fetus sex determination. What is that? Actually, the amniocentesis is a female fetus sex determination based on chromosomes pattern present in amniotic fluid, the fluid present outside the fetus. Again, amniocentesis. What is amniocentesis? 1 marks question. Amniocentesis is a fetal sex determination based on chromosome pattern present in amniotic fluid around the fetus. And that is used for female foeticide. Up 1 marks question is also come. What is a female foeticide? Yani, when they know the sex is female, that that fetus is removed. This is called the fetus is removed. जिसे हम बोलते हैं, the word is used. What is the word? Anybody else tell me?
Abortion.
Abortion.
Abortion is done for that. So this is the what is the amniocentesis? Clear? If you have any
No,
doubt,
ma'am,
you can
वापस
ask the
बताओ.
question. Yeah, amniocentesis.
Yes, ma'am.
Amniocentesis is actually sex determinations based on chromosomal pattern in amniotic fluid present around fetus. When fetus inside the mother womb at the end of 2nd month, yeah, before the 2nd month, the fluid present around fetus, that is called the amniotic fluid, in which the chromosome pattern is there by which identify the cells. This is called the amniocentesis, and that is used for removing female fetus. And the fetus is female, that is called the female foeticide. What is the name? Female foeticide. So 1 marks question ये भी हो सकता है, what is a female foeticide? Now listen me, next topic I am taking. Our population continuously increases. So what are the drawbacks? When the population continuously increases, we will face scarcity of the food, land problem is there, job problem is there. So continuously our population increase. How can which
Medical problem.
strategies we use for curb of population? For curb of population, which strategies we use? First, stop early marriage. Girls marries of girls to 18 years or marriage of boys to 21 years. Okay. Second, awareness about using of contraceptive. What is a contraceptive, beta? Device which are used for stopping pregnancy are called the contraceptive. What are the contraceptive? Device which are used for stopping pregnancy. These all are called the contraceptive. Yes, beta. Any doubt? You can ask me question. Yes, any doubt? You can ask me question. Now the one more topic is there. What are the reason our population continuously increases? First, nowadays the proper treatment is available. Our medicals grow very well. Medical department, in medical department growth is good. So what happened? Decline in mortality rate. Decline in mortality rate. Second point, decline in maternal mortality rate, MMR. Sometimes the question is come. What is the full form of MMR? Maternal mortality rate. Second, decline in infant mortality rate. Infant IMR. IMR, infant mortality rate. Okay, and increasing the age of people. That is also reason. That's why our population continuously increases. Yes. And the other reason, increasing the reproductive age person number. Yes. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question.
मैम ये मोर्टेलिटी वाला वापस बता दो.
Mortality, listen. Our population continuously increases. So, what we are doing for that? What are the reasons for that our population continuously increases? First reason, that decline in death rate. Second, decrease in maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate means MMR. और मैटरनल का मतलब मदर की डेथ कम होना, मोर्टिलिटी डेथ कम होना. क्लियर? इन्फेंट मोर्टिलिटी रेट मींस बच्चों की डेथ कम होना. क्लियर? तो IMR it is also decrease. Okay, and the increasing number of reproductive person numbers are increases. Okay, now the next topic is here. What is that? How can we stop our population? First, already I taught you that the marriageable age of girl to 18 years, marriageable age of boy to 21 years, or next in is the creating awareness about the advantage of a small family. What and any intensive is given for a small family. These all are the. Now I am taking the birth control. How the birth control take place? The contraceptive are used for the birth control. What are the contraceptive? The device which are used for the birth control are called the contraceptive. Yes, any doubt you can ask me question.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Till today I think sufficient. And tomorrow I will take the method of birth control. है ना? So very small topic
Yes,
is
ma'am.
there. Go through it. Or listen me.
Yes.
Learn third chapter. Third and second chapter. Learn, otherwise mix up हो जाएगा. Last में other chapter when I will take that create problem for you. ये chapter तो बहुत simple है. 2 days में complete हो जाएगा. जबकि मैंने आज इतना सा लिया, इतना सा लूंगी. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
चलो. Bye bye.
Bye,
Tomorrow
ma'am.
we
Thank
will
you.
meet. Welcome.